Hello, YouTube. If I look a little tired or spacey, it's because I finally caught the illness that's been going around. So there's that. But alright, I'm going to get along with the video. Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys a way to make money, which every single big company does. But it can be done by all you guys, small scale, and then hopefully larger if you do well at this type of thing. Okay, so what is this? This is affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is actually a simple concept. It's using your viewership or influence to get other people to buy something. And when this happens, you are affiliated with whatever company the people buy it at. And this will make you money as a commission or whatever, just for getting your viewer to go from you to this place. So now, a lot of big companies actually do use this. For example, Facebook. Facebook does a lot of this. They have all your information, so they can theoretically just make an ad that's tailored to you. So you have an interest, and you'll get an ad with that interest, which hopefully, for the person marketing, will have your exact thing that you want. And then you'll hopefully make a purchase, and that's their end goal. And sometimes people actually do use Facebook ads to just market for other companies and hopefully get affiliate sales, but that's not what we're talking about right now. Alright, so how can you use affiliate marketing for yourself without advertising or anything like that? That's very simple. See, I myself have a deal site, dealbeast.com. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. And basically, I actually put deals up all day to every company's stuff. Let's say deals on Amazon. You can get things from Samsung, Apple, all these things, popular brands, whatever. And now I can actually make money, sometimes, not always, if you make a purchase starting from my site and then you go there. So how does this work? Well, I'm not actually partnered with all these companies per se as like officially. Like no one, Apple or Amazon, is talking to me personally. But I do an affiliate programs. These affiliate programs basically give me links I put on my site, and if you buy from there, I can make money. Now, personally for me, I didn't want to use affiliate marketing at first because what I thought affiliate marketing was these companies put up like a little bit of a mad deal, and they want me to advertise. And now when I put my advertisement out to my viewers, now they'll get that product, and they're not really not getting a deal. They're getting like an advertised thing, so I didn't really want that, so I was avoiding it. Then I looked more into it, and I found out that it doesn't work like that. As in, I can make a link to anything on Amazon, regardless whether it's on sale, if it's a price mistake, it doesn't matter, and I can still make a commission, regardless of whatever deal it's on. So why is this? Because Amazon just makes a broad rule. You make a link through our place, and then we'll give you a commission based on that. It doesn't matter what the price is or whatever, you get percentage. So I can make money even if something's $100 and it's down to $50. I can still make a percentage, normally like 2 to 5%. They say up to 10, but I've not gone that high. Maybe on Amazon devices and very few of them. Besides the point. So I can get a percentage of that deal. And now this works with not just Amazon, but it works with all the other places too. Happens to be not Apple because Apple does not give out affiliates. You also realize on those cashback sites, they are basically affiliate programs, most of them, and they make a percentage of your sale, like Honey, for example. That's what they do. And what happens is Apple kind of excludes most of these programs to giving any affiliate commission. So you're not going to get any money when you use a cashback for Apple because they're not giving the person who sent you to them. But that is how all these companies make money, and you can do this too. So personally with my site, I affiliate whatever I can, and it actually brings in a decent revenue here and there. I'm saying the viewership themselves, the more people you have, the higher percentage you'll get. And now this doesn't have to be a deal site, this can be any site. If you ever notice when you're on any random site, you could see things that you were shopping at a place, and then you see a Google ad on, let's say you were on Hollister. Now you'll see a Google ad for Hollister clothing. So this is because Google have all your tracking information, like Facebook and everyone else. And now they put whoever has a website, these ads will go based on you. So any website can do this. Google Ads actually doesn't go by percentage. Those actually go by click and whatever, but it's all the same concept. So now you can get advertising money for being on any of these programs. So again, not just a deal site, any random site, as long as you have a lot of views, theoretically, you can put ads on your platform, and then you'll make money off the revenue on the traffic. Of course, this doesn't build itself up right away, but depending how good you are at building audiences, and coincidentally, that's basically the same thing what marketing is, so you'll be able to do this for yourself, and then hopefully in the long run, you can get monetized a lot easier. Now, on websites itself, sometimes it takes time to get some natural traffic. Now, you still need a market for yourself to get your own good traffic, but eventually it will get better off as it goes, saying that you have more and more traffic. But of course, you have to push traffic by yourself, but depending how good you are, that might be how much money you'll make later on. Now, this is more of a long-term investment, and it's not necessarily going to make you endless money, but it could be a nice side income, and it's definitely nice to have a couple $100 coming in here and there, and possibly more if you do really well. When I originally made my deal site, I didn't know about all this, but now that I do, I can teach anyone else who needs to know this stuff, and it's really not very hard. Now, originally, when I wanted to find these commission on affiliate sites, I didn't know much about it, so it really excited me a lot. Now, if you guys want me to list the sites that I actually use, I could down below. Happens to be, I can be an affiliate. It's an entire chain of things that work like this, so it's actually very cool how it all works. Some of them work better than others and give higher commissions even on the same stores, because it basically works. Some people are middlemen and some people are direct, and you can make more or less money depending. You can sometimes even make more on the middleman than the direct, which is a little interesting, but that's how it works. Comment below if you guys would like me to make an actual video with all the places that I use for affiliates, because a lot of these are very interesting and they can make more money than other ones. I actually used one for around 7 months and I was making very little money, but I was getting a lot of sales, so I was very frustrated. I moved to a different place more recently and I was making way higher commissions for the same sales. And not only that, not every single place is available for every affiliate site. So there are sometimes middlemen and there's sometimes direct sites, so it's good to know all the best ones so you can make the most possible money for your efforts. So if you want, I'll make the video. Just comment below, tell me if you actually want it, because these videos take time to make and I'm not an expert at video editing, so I'm not perfect at it. So if you guys would like that, tell me. If you guys made it all the way here, I'd really appreciate a like and a sub. And alright, see you in the next one.